Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to our course, Translation 1. So today we're going to continue talking about translation. But before we start, we just want to make a quick revision of what we had last lecture. So if you remember, we talked about collocation. That is like a combination of two words that they come together to convey meaning. For example, tarafa أو بتكر جريمة. And also here we have ضباب مطر وجبة مدخن مطر صناعة ثقيلة شاي سبات مساعي حميدة. We can say مساعي حميدة in Arabic, but in English we can say good offices. So also here we have also continued talking about types of collocation. We have a different type of collocation, open collocation, restricted collocation, banned collocation, idioms. So all of these you have to pay attention when you start translation, because a good translator should also know or aware of collocation, in order just to make it more familiar with English majors, and when you start talking or translating. So here also we have like جريمة نقراء بشعة. Also we have أطرق الرأس, and we talked about this last time. I just want you just to pay attention that if we want to translate like for cast down, so you have like the meaning of sadness, fear. And we stopped here, and also today, inshallah, we're going to continue talking about lexical and grammatical collocation. So, the meaning of lexical, when somebody asking you, what does it the meaning of lexical? Lexical, it means that it is a verb, it is a noun, it's adjective, and it is adverb. So a verb يعني فعل, okay? When we going to combine verb even with, for example, with something, okay, with a, you can like make it like, for example, you can make another meaning, and even for adjective and a noun, for example, fast food, not quick food, for example. So you can say fast food instead of saying a quick food. So it's like, it's like more familiar with these words. Okay, we're gonna, write down these words. But first, I just want you to like understand that lexical sometimes goes, for example, just make it like larger. Adverb with adjectives of completely satisfied. We can say completely satisfied, not downright satisfied. You have to pay attention. That's when somebody asking you about this, you can like, you don't add downright satisfied. You can say completely satisfied. So here we add ly as adverb and adjective satisfied. And also adjective plus noun, okay? So here when we are going to, for example, here, excruciating, for example, we can say excruciating pain and not joy, okay? Because it's something like painful. ألمًا مبرح. And also we can say like here, lions roar, like lions shout. Don't say like lion shout. Lion roar. And also here we have a commit suicide. So you can say commit suicide, not undertake suicide. Commit suicide, it's like يعني ارتكب جريمة. And don't say undertake suicide, because it will be like, word for word, and it's like something that is not, literary. It like goes word by word, and sometimes you have to convey the meaning. ارتكب جريمة. So all of these, you have to pay attention. When somebody asking you lexical collocation, so you add adverb with adjective, or adjective with a noun, and even noun with a verb, and verb with a noun, okay? All of these you have to pay attention when you translate, because really it's make a difference. So here also we have grammatical collocation. But before we moving to the grammatical collocation, I just want to write down some notes. We say, for example, if we say like For example, public transport. You can say public transport, not general transport, okay? Fully aware, for example, fast food, not quick food. So here we have like to say public transport, for example, places, أماكن العامة, and also parks, and not general, okay? Not general, because it's like, couldn't like come together. And pairs like into tiers, you have to say below or up tiers, for example. وأظرف الدموع النار. So these comments you have to pay attention when you started to translate it. So all of these like is not or incorrect. Oops, and this one, no, this one, no, okay. And also we can say, for example, a fast food, not quick food. And also you may say like completely or wholly satisfied, as we discussed now, not utterly satisfied. So with completely. Fine. Not or wholly, not utterly. Okay. So all of these you have to pay attention when you start to translate it. And even sometimes you have also to pay attention to this. Also, we can say, like, for example, with adverb comes with adjective. So we can like, for example, this is like examples regarding this point. For example, we can say like fully aware of. Okay, fully aware of, or perfectly aware of. يعني نترجمها على دراية تامة. And also we can say like this. So another meaning. Greatly aware of. Mostly aware of. And aware of. Deeply aware of. So, okay, yeah, this is step 2. Okay. And also we can like say adjective with the noun. Adjective with noun. For example, let's you can write down all of these because it's very, very important for you as a translator and even also for a final exam. Here we can say like severe headache, for example. can say like wild headache, not severe, let's say here, for example. Bad headache. So here we can say like mild headache. Not, yeah, it means that not severe. It's like something slight. Okay. Also, we can like for a word piece actually because we are peace loving people. Um, also, we can say um, for example, lasting peace, lasting peace. Yeah, peace. يعني سلام هش، سلام دائم lasting. We can say in permanent peace also. And user peace. So you can write down all of these, okay, and you will find it easily for you because when someone like you're going to translate it peace, and there's like for example, salamun hush. So you can like say for this like fragile piece, okay? Not weak piece. Yeah. So you have to pay attention. يعني كمترجم احنا إذا بدنا عن جد إنه نكون like master translation, okay, in a proper way, you have to know the collocation. This is my advice for you. So let's see, okay, all of the points that we mentioned here, just make it more clear. You can write down all these points, just like you may know most of them, and maybe like so you have to pay attention all of these because it's may like you need it for translation, you need it for even when you start talking. So all of these like is very important as a translator to know it, okay? As we, for example, we going to translate the proper word. أو هذا اللي إحنا بنحكيه دائما الكلمات التي تأتي مع بعضها تكون غير مثلا إنه تعطي معنى. هي أنت مثلا تقول لي مثلا for example weak piece. It's something okay. It convey the meaning, but it's not a professional one. Okay. So all of these points you have to pay attention while you're translating. So let's back again to what we stopped. So here we stopped here. Grammatical collocation is a type of construction where, for example, a verb or adjective must be followed by a particular preposition and or a noun must be followed by a particular form of the verb. As in, for example, verb with a preposition. You can say, like, for example, depend on, not depend on. Okay? You don't have to add off. يعني يعتمد على you can't say depend on. And also adjective with a preposition, for example, afraid of, not afraid at. So let's continue here. Adjective with the preposition, for example, afraid of, not afraid at. You can say strength to let it, not strength lifting it, okay? To lift it. So which type of collocation is likely to be the most problematic? Why and what do you suggest to overcome such problem? So So you may like make many problems in collocations, even grammatical collocations or lexical collocations. As I said before, that's concerned with the verb, noun, adjective, adverb. To have to master all of these collocations just in order to be not problematic when you start to translate it. Okay. So all of these points you have to pay attention when you translate it, because really very important to master all of these, okay, as one. Okay. And to continue, okay, today, okay, this material I uploaded for you on the model. You can like look for this. I just want you here just to try to answer this question. Okay, which type of collocation is likely to be most problematic؟ يعني شو بتتوقع أكثر شيء ممكن يكون في الcollocations اللي ممكن هي تأثر علينا كمترجمين. But if you mention examples that is related to this point, you are most welcome. Okay. So it will be like assignment for your homework. This is like okay. I just want you even to try to translate it all of these words. That is like أطرق الرأس جريمة إثراء تقدما خسائر مسلمة فادحة and also the Bob مطر as I translated with you because it's like for you as a practical. Try also to bring another collocations, another collocation that is from English into Arabic or from Arabic. Okay. Try to be as much as you can. If it's like 5 collocations, it should be good. Okay. Thank you so much for attending this session, and inshallah, because I just want to start with you in a new session with this, which is like when focusing on equivalent collocation. And this equivalent collocation really needs more effort to in this regard. So I just want to start here. And just I want to you try to translate it. You bring the locations. I just want you just look for it not as a homework, as it is like something that you practical. So I've just updated with me like with everything you have done here. If it is like anything missing or any problems you may face. So try to answer this question. Which type of collocation is likely to be the most problematic? Why and why do you suggest, and what do you suggest to overcome such problems? And here also embarrassed try to sorry, not embarrassed, yeah. Try just to list 5 collocations in Arabic, 5 in English, okay? And then try to translate it. Just use 2 questions for assignment that we're going to send it for. I'm going also to inshallah put like here assignment for you and our model, and you can answer these questions. Okay. Thank you so much, and have a nice I don't know, a nice day, and inshallah see you next time. مع السلامة في أمان الله. Bye bye.